G'day guys, welcome to a one-of-a-kind adventure and welcome back to Cape Hangklip. It is a stunning day. This is what dreams are made of. Perfect conditions. Wind still, warm day. We're in April. We're here with Serene and she wanted to go hiking. I wanted to go spearfishing. So today we're going spearfishing, then we're going hiking. We're cooking up our catch on the mountain and then we're sleeping tonight on the mountain. It's gonna be one hell of an adventure. Let's go. Stunner guys. Woo! Yes. Ah. Woo! Oh no! Oh! right in the shallows. Right in the shallows. Fortunately, not crayfish season. What an amazing dive at Hangklip. So many jellyfish in the water. I have heard stories where they go down the snorkel and into your mouth. Not pretty. Luckily we came out undamaged. Managed 2 beautiful Hotties. This was the first one I shot. The biggest one by far compared to this one. Woo. Big tummy. Second one unfortunately missed. I shot or break loose. I don't know what happened. We'll have to go and look back on the footage. And this was the final one that we shot. So I think the big one for me and the small one for Serain. So we both got our feet for tonight. Guys, only take what you need. What better conditions can you ask for? Let's make our way back to the car and let's jump into our hiking gear. Let's go hiking. So many jellyfishes everywhere. I have been stung in the past in my face and I didn't have a wonderful reaction. Ended up in the hospital. Live to tell the tale. Guys, always dive with a diving buddy. Don't do what I do, obviously. I didn't have other choice today. Yeah, be safe out there and always have a diving buddy with you. Welcome back to our new place, guys. That is the reason I've been so quiet. Got a new job, moved new spots. This is home for now. We decided to head back here just to clean the fish, clean ourselves up, and then we head into the mountains. We're just gonna fillet this Hotties now, but let's measure this one. This is centimeters. I'm curious the length. This is a 37 centimeter to the V of the tail, and it is a 38. No, it's a 39 to the point of the tail. Okay, so bear with me. I do not regularly fillet these fish. The reason why we're gonna fillet it is because we can obviously put whole fish in our backpacks. So we're just gonna fillet it, slice it up in smaller packable sizes, and then we're throwing it in our backpacks. Start behind. There's obviously loads of small bones in these fish, but yeah, just start behind this fin. Then you just want to make small incisions along the back. We want to get in there and start opening them up. Cut down towards the bone. Just take your time, run it along the bones. And first fillet done. We're just gonna take the skin off as well. All you do is you cut all along towards the skin. Pull as you cut. And you get a beautiful piece of white meat. We are just gonna run our knife down the sides here, cut out this blood stream here. You don't want that. And then I think those are packable sizes. There we are. Let's go. Welcome to the mountains, guys. We've made it after such a lacquer day so far. It's a bit late in the afternoon. It is 4 o'clock. No, it's 5 o'clock and sun is setting at 6:30. The hike is about 2 hours. It's fine. We kitted with everything. We are absolutely loaded and It's gonna be a good time. Going up there. Wow, just look at these mountains. Oh, what a stunning evening. Wind still, that is why we chose it this evening. There's no wind forecasted for today or this evening. Normally the wind gets made in these mountains. It would be normally gusting. By this time we're making good ground. 40 minutes and 1.7 k's. It is so good to be out here after a busy time, but we're out here appreciating nature. Woo! If you guys enjoying this adventure with me so far, please leave this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it so much. Subscribe if you want to see more adventures with me like this one. Appreciate you guys so much. So nice time out here creating these for you guys. Many more to come. We are our way into this walk or hike, and we've covered 2.5 k's. We are making ground. Let me tell you guys, spearfishing and hiking up a mountain with this backpack in one day. We are making gains. Woo!
I saw speckles. Had a lot of, what's speckles in English? Dots. Speckles. Freckles.
Just casually describing a butterfly. Red surrein.
Glowing.
Ah, working out my legs. Sun just set, probably half an hour to 45 minutes of daylight left, and we still have a mountain to conquer.
You're ambitious though, we've got 30 minutes of light still left.
But yeah, we have our headlights. We are used to trail running in the night, so no problem for us.
Nothing new.
Nothing new.
We can do this.
Let's make our way up. We have made it, guys. Oh, at the top. Oh, well done.
Yeah.
Whew. Yo.
Now we need to pitch tents.
Yeah, 5 hours, 2 hours and 10 minutes.
5 hours.
What? It was 5 kilometers, 2 hours and 10 minutes. Woo!
Yeah, that was good.
Total ascending 750 meters. Steep.
That's serious.
Let's set up tent. We've got the tents all set up. First one here, Serane's. And we got mine. Serane just making herself comfortable.
Yeah.
I upgraded my footwear. She's all settled in there. And then my side, all nice and cozy, all comfy in here. Close that up. So obviously we are not allowed to make fires in this mountain, and we don't want either, because there is veld fires quite regularly. So we found a nice clear spot behind the tent. The wind is blowing from that side. Some olive oil. How convenient. Then we've got our fillets here that we're gonna throw in the pan. We've got some lemon and black pepper spice. We've got a lemon.
Oh no!
Oh, are you kidding me? Well, he's baking. Lemon and black pepper spice. Enough. It's time for flip. Yep. Okay, dinner is served, you guys. That looks so good. Let's dig in. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Okay. Fresh lemon. That's enough for now. That's more than enough. Okay, let's try a piece. Oh, it's warm. Oh, that's a warm piece. The whitest meat. Wow. That is a well-deserved fish after a super nice adventurous day. Time for a Hagenamak hot chocolate. Bedtime snack. Yep. In bed, guys. Super tired. It's 9 o'clock. It's been a long day. I think it's time we head to Dreamland. Catch you guys tomorrow morning for insane sunrise. Good night. Good morning. Sun is just rising that side over the mountains. It's 7 o'clock now, and I think it's time we pull some water. She's awake. Let me show you guys our little setup. This is where we slept last night. This is the only flat spot that we can find. This is where the trail starts or ends. All packed up. Always leave the place exactly, if not better, than the way you got it. Gonna make our way down the mountain now. Guys, thanks so much for joining me on another adventure. I hope to see you guys soon. And get out there, have fun. Thanks so much for tagging along. We'll be out.